In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a college essay for Harvard, focusing on Common App tips. Whether you're gearing up for application season or just curious about what makes an essay truly stand out, this guide is here to help you highlight your strengths in an authentic and effective way. First things first, always take the time to read the essay prompt carefully. Harvard, like many other colleges, provides prompts that are designed to let you showcase your personality, curiosity, or personal growth. Choosing a topic that resonates deeply with you can enable you to write more genuinely and passionately, ultimately creating a more compelling narrative. For instance, consider the sample essay titled The Art of Asking Questions. Here, the student reflected on a question sparked during a biology class, demonstrating curiosity and a subsequent deep dive into ethics, which highlighted their initiative and thirst for knowledge. Instead of simply stating, I'm curious, illustrate your curiosity through a story. In the sample, the student's curiosity led them beyond just asking questions in the classroom. They took action by joining a student-led ethics discussion group and eventually presenting their findings to the school board. Actions like these speak louder than words, painting a vivid picture of your enthusiasm and engagement. Authenticity is key. Write in your own voice. Don't fall into the trap of guessing what Harvard wants to hear. The admissions team is interested in genuine experiences and thoughts. Show your unique perspective and insights. Share stories that are meaningful to you, reflecting your true self. It's crucial to realize it's not merely about recounting an event, it's about what you learned from it. In the essay example, the journey from merely asking a question to presenting research to the school board illustrates personal growth and a deeper understanding of the subject matter. This type of reflection demonstrates maturity and the ability to learn and grow from experiences, qualities that are highly valued by admissions committees. Details make a story memorable. Infuse your essay with specific actions, events, and results. Instead of remaining vague, delve into the specifics that set your story apart. Concrete details offer insights into your experiences and give readers a clear picture of who you are. Pay attention to the word count limit, typically 650 words. This restriction encourages you to be concise and use simple, readable language. Effective communication often lies in clarity and brevity, ensuring your message is both understood and impactful. Lastly, always proofread your essay. Ask a teacher, mentor, or friend for honest feedback. They can provide a fresh perspective, catching errors you might have overlooked and offering valuable insights on how to enhance the clarity and effectiveness of your narrative. By focusing on these tips, your essay will not only adhere to the requirements of the Common App, but also stand out in the minds of Harvard's admissions officers. Good luck, and remember to stay true to your story.